Ugh, yellow bulbs. It's time to change that. It's 2023. Are you still rocking these yellow bulbs? These stock F-150 bulbs? Come on, we gotta go ahead and change that out. Auxito was kind enough to send out this third brake light, which is the last thing I need to change out every single halogen bulb with LED. This is gonna be nice. Let's go ahead and open it. Oh yeah, look at that. Very sinister looking. Definitely an upgrade from stock. And there's not much to this kit. The third brake light, the little pins that you put in there to cover over the bolt holes, foam tape to keep water out of it. Let's go ahead and install it. Should be a quick and easy install. And for the install, all you would need is a drill of some sort or a screwdriver, it doesn't matter. You need a T20 bit or a 7mm and some plastic pry tools. First thing you want to do is you want to remove these 4 screws. They're pretty long, so just be careful with that. You don't want to drop it. Like so. Carefully take out the third brake light. We got to pull that off in order to get to the plug. Sometimes if you're lucky, you should be able to just push it down. But if it's on there pretty tight, you get this skinny tool and you just kind of go behind there. And then you just pull out the harness. And this is where you connect the new third brake light to. Before we actually put it on there, we got to put the weather stripping on there. So I like to get some alcohol, put it on a paper towel, and just kind of clean the surface. Once it dries pretty quick. You take the outer layer, peel back the corner on one side, go ahead and place it, and there you go. That's all you need to do. And I forgot to mention, when you install this, make sure you put the pigtail right here in the middle and install it this way. It usually be over here. Make sure you put it in the middle. But I'm going to try and put those push pins back in the hole. That's where the pry tools come in handy. Most people skip this step. I'm going to try it. If I can't do it, then I just won't do it.
Many hours later.
Nope, I couldn't do it. If you guys can do it, comment down below just to let me know that you're better than me. Before we put the third brake light on, I like to clean off this area. Wipe it down, clean it off really nice. Get all of that dirt off. See how much dirt that was? Tuck the wire in there and place it in there. You remember those circles, the little black circles I was talking about? You put them on the screws right before you put it into the third brake light. That's to keep water and moisture out of them. And for using the impact, be careful. You don't want to break this. This is plastic. And don't tighten them all the way down yet. Not until you get all the screws screwed in first. Remember how I said be careful to make sure you don't drop anything back here? Yeah, I dropped a bit. I got pretty lucky. Alright, now that we got it on, let's see how it looks.
I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. Anxiety, filling up every space, no privacy, and silently, it can build and build until you finally see, whoa, it's taking over, damn no closure, moving closer, no exposure, I just wanna be a loner.
If you still rocking them yellow LED light bulbs, go ahead, get you some. Use code word creators, get 15% off, and they just don't have third brake lights. Thank you, Auxito, for sending me out this third brake light. If you are interested about the switchback turn signal bulbs, go ahead, click on this link right here. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.